Namaskar. Okay, friends and families, welcome to yoga. Today let us do young and energetic and no aging asanas. How to be young and energetic and no aging? If you select the spine flexibility, spine exercise asanas, definitely you will stay young and energetic. So that is the secret. You can follow this asanas one by one. First let us do tiger stretch type 1, type 2. Just position your body, stand like a tiger, stand in 4 legs with the help of your hands. First take a 1 foot measurement on your hands and fix your hands like legs. Now the tiger stretch. The tiger is standing in 4 legs like. Now just breathe in. Breathe in, push your body, neck, head forward, spine down. Breathe out, spine up. As inhale, push your head, neck, shoulder forward, spine down. As you exhale, spine up, head down. Continue the same spine activity, the tiger stretch type 1. Activate the spine up and down so nicely. Concentrate on the spine. Up and down slowly. Just enjoy it. Okay. Tiger stretch type 1 is over. Now let us do tiger stretch type 2. The breathing exercise. Again, position. Standing like a 4 legs, how the tiger stands 4 legs. Here, there is a variation. You have to lift the right leg in the first. Inhale, side by side, raise your right leg up. Exhale, come down. As inhale, stretch your body, neck, head forward and raise your legs. Slowly do it one by one with the alternate leg, right leg and left leg. Just enjoy this tiger stretch type 2. Try not to bend your elbows, hands. Okay, tiger stretch type 2 also over. Now let's go for the Shashankasana breathing. Sit easy in Vajrasana like this. Take both hands back, catch your right fingers with the left fingers. Just adjust your body. Now you have to stretch back, exhale, bend forward. Let your forehead touch the mat. Shashankasana breathing. Breathe in, expand your chest and the lungs, take maximum prana to your lungs and the body. Exhale completely, take the carbon dioxide outside. Continue. Breathe in, stretch, enjoy the stretch, how beautiful. Exhale, bend forward. Shashankasana breathing, the half moon posture. You can repeat it number of times and be happy. Now, slowly release your legs from Vajrasana, from the ankle posture. One by one, relax, easy. Just give a tapping on your calf muscle. Feel free, right leg, left leg, hip joints, shoulder, neck. Relax, relax, relax. You can have a massaging on your legs with your hands up. Just like this, bend down. Feel free, massage your hip, finger, toes. Massage it nicely, the calf muscle, feel free. And let me go to the Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. Now slowly lie down, Shavasana, relax, easy. Fold both the legs comfortably. Bring your hands near the ankle, leg, or you can catch your ankle and lift your spine up with breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale up like a bridge, fly over. Setubandhasana. Exhale. Now we are doing breathing exercise. Hands up and down, taking the breath. Stretch up like a flyover, underpass. Enjoy this Setubandhasana spine stretch. So nice. This is the breathing Setubandhasana. If you stay here for some time, it's called asana, Setubandhasana. So nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Be relaxed. Exhale out. Feel free. Neck free. Shoulder free. Keep a tapping on your calf muscles and be relaxed. The other one we are going to do Pavanamuktasana. Hold both the legs comfortably. Swing sideways. Pavanamuktasana. Relax your body. Breathe very comfortably, no strain. Just enjoy this. Side swing is good for your spine. As I told you, the spine asanas are very good to be young and energetic and no aging. So you have to select such asanas and do it daily so that you will be very happy. Now go to relaxation. Elders relaxation. Relax your body like this. Exhale out, feel free. Massage your back from tailbone to cervical. All the 33 vertebrae are getting relaxed. Enjoy it and feel free. Again, the other leg, relax, easy. Elders relaxation. Neck free, shoulder free. Relax for a while and be free. Sit. These are all the spine activity exercises, so good. Spine asanas. People who are riding 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, they can do this so that their back pain, shoulder pain will not be there. So it is benefited more. Okay, come back. Now let me go to Naukasana, the boat posture. Just balance your body, lift your both the legs like this. Be there. Naukasana, boat posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Relax. Feel free. Now let me go to Ushtasana, the camel posture. Slowly get up, step by step, from the right side with the left hand support. Slowly get up. The camel posture. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Fold your legs one by one. Stand on the knee and slowly. Ushtasana, the camel posture. Posture like this. Correct your posture. Just be there. Ushtasana, the camel posture. Watch your breathing. Adjust your pose. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While coming back, be careful. Take a hand support like this on your hip. Right hand, left hand and the right hand. Slowly come down. The camel posture was so good. So relaxed. Now let me go to the Bhujanga Asana, Bhujanga breathing. Lie down on the prone posture. Go to Makarasana first, relax your body. Now take a hand support near your chest. you have to raise the chest up, head up with breathing, Bhujanga breathing. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. The cobra stretch. How the cobra stretching the head up, like this. Similar way you have to do. Both the legs are joined together only. The upper part from the hip, shoulder, hands, chest action. Do it comfortably. The Bhujanga breathing. We are doing breathing action, so it is breathing. If you be there for some time, it is asana, Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down, be relaxed. In Makarasana, whenever we are doing prone posture, we are supposed to relax in Makarasana, the crocodile posture, or Bala Makarasana, the baby relaxation. Automatically legs apart, be comfortable, adjust your body, no strain, enjoy this relaxation. Makarasana, the crocodile posture. Now let me do this complementary to Bhujanga breathing is Salabha breathing. Release both hands, place both hands below the thighs, raise your right leg up with breathing, Salabha breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Again the left leg up, exhale down. Inhale up. Do it comfortably. Raise your leg as much as you can. Be there. Now we want to do Salabha asana. You have to lift your both the legs up and be there. Salabhasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Release your both hands. Relax your body. Chest up. You can just feel relaxed by saying ha. Exhale out the unwanted carbon dioxide out. Ha. And be relaxed in Makarasana. Easy breathing, normal breathe, relax your body. Now you can go to the another relaxation, baby relaxation on the right side. Just be comfortable, hold your right leg and the left cheek onto the mat. Be relaxed, enjoy the relaxation. Bala Makarasana, the baby relaxation. Now complementary, the other side. Easy breathing, normal breath, enjoy it. Now slowly get up, join both legs. With the hand support, slowly get up. Okay friends, these are all the spine exercises. Tiger stretch, type 1, type 2, Shashankasana breathing, then Setu Bandhasana breathing as well as asanas, Naukasana, Ushtasana and Bhujangasana, Bhujanga breathing and Bhujangasana, Salabhasana, Salva breathing. We have done it so nice, especially all the spine exercises from tailbone to cervical, the whole back, the spine has got a nice exercise. So you have to select such a asanas to be young and energetic and no aging. Definitely, if you do daily these asanas, you will be very active. That's what the Rishi Muni, they have found out when they have done the tapas in forest. They have seen these animals, birds and insects, how they move. So from the tiger stage, the secret of the tiger running fast is on the flexibility of the spine. Similar way, if you have a nice exercise to your spine, keeping the spine flexibility, you will be always young and energetic and no aging. These all the exercise is very good for software engineers, PC desk workers, teachers, students, those who sit long time studies in front of the PC and the laptop, they can very well do this. They will not have any back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. Please continue. And those who are riding two-wheelers and four-wheelers, they go long distance. If they come back, they will have the back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. They should also do these spine exercises, spine asanas. So they will be very good. Please follow and be happy, healthy. Thank you. Good luck.